Hello guys, thanks for tuning in. In this video, I will show you how to draw a solid geometry when given a cutting plane AA with the front view and also the top view. So in this case, this line shows the cutting plane, which means the top part is being removed from the drawing. So now we're gonna show the top view with the top part being removed from the side of the cutting plane. So to begin the drawing, I suggest to start naming all the lines. So I will start naming my top view with this being number 1, point number 1, and this one being point number 2. And then point number 2, and then point number 3, and point number 4, and point number 5, and then lastly point number 6. Now I'm gonna name this point irrespective with the number on the top view. So this one will be point number 6. As you can see, this point and this point are the same point. And then this one, it will be point number 1 and 5. And then now this one will be point number 2 and 4. And lastly, point number 3. So now when I'm done naming all my points in the front view and also in the top view, I have to draw construction lines of the complete top view, of which this one is an apex, so that means all the points meet at the same point on the top. So now I will draw a construction line like this one, joining these two lines, joining all the points. So now when I have the construction lines of the top view, I will project my points where my cutting plane cuts the drawing with lines that goes downward. So from this one, I will draw a construction line from this point going downward, and also another construction line from this point going downward, and also another one from this point going downward, and the last one from this point going downward. Now, because I have where the lines intersect of the cutting plane NA and the construction lines of the top view, I will place points on the intersection of all those lines. So now that I have my points which are being projected from the top view and then where they intersect with the construction lines of the top view, then I will join them together using a ruler. So after joining all my points using a ruler, now I have a drawing like this one. So I will join point 1 with this one, and also point 2, point 3, point 4, point 5, point 6. So now when my cutting plane AA is applied, the top view will look like something like this one. But now I have to insert a hatching to show that this part has been removed from the drawing. So I will do my hatching. with a 45-degree set square. So now, like this one, I'm done with my top view. So I have to do my left view. So I will draw a construction line which has with this base of the front view, and then also I draw a 45-degree construction line and then now I have to project this view, this left view, to this side. So to do that, I have to draw lines, construction lines from this point going this side, and also another construction line from this point going this side. So to where the construction lines intersect with my 45-degree line, I will draw also a line moving upward. Now I can have the base of the left view as the dark line. So I will also draw another line which will project the height of the drawing. And I will also project a construction line from point number 3 going upward. And then now I will have my apex point right here, which I can also name it as point 0. So point 0 on the front view is here, and point 0 on the left view will be here. So now I will draw construction line from this point to point 0, and also another construction line to point 0. So now I have to name also the points in the left view. So this one, as it's been projected with line 1 and 2, I will name this point also to be 1 and 2. And this one is 6 and 3 to the 45-degree line going upward. Then that means here I will have 6 and 3. And then this one is 5 and 4 joining the 45-degree going upward. Then I will name it 5 and 4, and my point 0 up here. So now I have to project the construction lines of the cutting plane from this view to this other view to show also how will it look like when this cutting plane AA is applied to the system. So I will draw a construction line which affects point 3, which is this one. Now I will look point 3 from this view, and then where this line of point 3 and then this other one from the front view intersect, I will place a point. And then now I will project another one of point 2 and 4, which is this one. And then again I go to the left view and then look line number 2 and also line number 4. Where they intersect with this construction line, then I place another point. And then again I project line 1 and 5, which is this one. So I go to my left view, I look number 1 and number 5, which is this line number 1 here, and this one number 5 here. And then again I go to my front view and project point number 6. Now I will look number 6 in the left view, and then number 6 is found in this line. Where it intersects with this one, I place a point. And then now I will take my ruler and join all these points together. So now the only solid lines will be the lines which will be going from this point downward. The construction lines to the 0 point will not be there because this cutting plane shows that this part is being removed and only the other part is left. So I will join these two lines using my ruler, and then with a 45-degree set square and hatch this part, and then my drawing is now complete. Check our next video for the next exercise.